We're not doing a great job of talking up Eastern Washington.
I'm trying,
I
man.
know. I mean, maybe you need to move there for some specific reason.
Right.
Or maybe you're not conservative.
There's a lot of really cool things to do there, and unfortunately, policies have ramifications. Right now, Spokane is, when you look at property crime and violent crime, it is only safer than 3% of U.S. cities.
Wow, that's a terrible
Statistic. And you and I both agree. I mean, drug uses, open air drug use, and all that stuff can be a general correlation to other crimes. Property crimes follow it, violent crimes follow it, stuff like that.
I'm trying not to be biased towards the Idaho side, but
man,
that's a strong indicator for a lot of people. A lot of people are looking for a safer place.
You know, you can't detain somebody on reasonable suspicion. Some of those policies really killed their ability to curb some of that crime. When you have things like Crime Check, where citizens are just getting funneled towards just a system as opposed to having a cop show up at their house, it's just a different. But another big part of that is just the policies that back us here. And our judicial system still has some teeth. So I think that's a big difference.